Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're digging into a really ambitious blueprint from a brand new project called Pulse. They are making a serious play to become a cornerstone of the Midnight blockchain. And you know what? They've laid out their entire plan for everyone to see. So, let's get into it.
So let's just dive right in. Pulse did not start small. Instead of a simple, hey, here's our new product announcement, they came out swinging with a 50x game plan. That tells you everything right off the bat. They're not just building a nice little tool. No, they are aiming for massive exponential growth right from day one.
And here's exactly how they plan to do it. Their whole strategy is laid out clear as day in this 5-step ladder. Now, it starts with something very concrete. Launch the best decentralized exchange, or DEX, on Midnight. Simple enough, right? But just look at that final step, becoming the dominating liquidity layer for the entire ecosystem. That is a huge leap, and it's a plan built on a really powerful bet about Midnight's future.
Okay, so you've set this huge ambition. Now what?
Well, it's time for step 1, laying the foundation. And this is all about execution. You can have the greatest plan in the world, but at the end of the day, you have to actually ship the code. And get this, even before the launch, they were already building some serious momentum. The project's token actually ranked first among all Cardano DeFi tokens in the week leading up to their announcement, seeing a 33% increase. That tells you there was real anticipation here. People already believed in what they were building. And they capitalized on that momentum perfectly. Right after the announcement dropped, the Pulse DEX is live on the testnet. This is such a critical milestone, you know? It's that moment you go from a plan on a whiteboard to a real tangible product that people can actually connect their wallets to and start playing with. So yeah, step 1 of their big game plan, it's officially underway. But let's be real. In a super crowded field of exchanges, how do you become the best? Just being live isn't enough. And this is where Pulse pulls back the curtain on its secret sauce, a new hybrid architecture. So they've developed what they call a hybrid DEX architecture. Sounds a little fancy, right? But what does that actually mean for a user? Well, it's really about combining 2 standard models for trading into one, much more efficient system. Essentially, when you place a trade, the system has 2 different ways it can fill your order. It can use the standard method, which is dipping into a big shared pool of tokens. That's how most DEXs work. Or, if it finds another user's order out there that offers an equal or even a better price, it'll just match you directly, peer-to-peer. So the crucial point is this. For the user, you're designed to get the best possible outcome on every single trade. It shows this absolute laser focus on performance. By automatically choosing the best path, they're aiming to deliver the best price and a world-class trading experience, all while staying completely decentralized. Okay, so a great product is a fantastic start, but it needs users, right? A product without users is just a cool project. So the next step in the plan is building the growth engine for their ecosystem. And to hit the ground running, they've partnered with 1AM Wallet. This is just a really smart strategic move. 1AM is a leading wallet on Midnight, so this integration means that thousands of potential users will be able to connect and trade seamlessly from the very first day of the mainnet launch. It just removes all that friction and gives their ecosystem a massive jumpstart. And this brings us to the final piece of their strategy, the long-term vision. Because all this work, the product, the partnerships, it's all built on the big bet. And this right here, this is the core idea. Their entire game plan hinges on the belief that the Midnight blockchain, which is all about privacy, is on track to become a leading Layer 1 chain. So you see, Pulse isn't just building on Midnight. They are positioning themselves to be the go-to protocol for Midnight. Their success is directly tied to the platform's growth. So the blueprint is all laid out. Build a superior product, seed your growth with key partners, and tie your success to a rising privacy-focused ecosystem. It's a bold plan for sure. And the question isn't just whether this is the model for the next wave of DeFi, but whether betting big on privacy is the real key to that 50x breakout they're chasing.